Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get the blushy cat eye makeup in Berry Avenue. So if you want to glow up your avatar with the cutest blushy cat eye makeup in Berry Avenue, in this tutorial I'll show you how you can unlock and apply the makeup look to give your character a stunning stylish appearance. So to find the blushy cat eye makeup, you can just click on this arrow and go to the avatar menu on Berry Avenue, and you can just simply search for this keyword, mink blushy, sorry, cat eye. Okay, you can click on enter or search and click on the first ones right here, and just like that you'll get the makeup look. You can just tap on done after that. Okay, so that's all for me. This is the final result. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, so please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on a thanks. Bye.